So let's talk about how to make a slip knot. It's very simple. So first you just need to take the yarn and wrap it around your fingers 2 times. So you'll have 2 strands on this side and 1 on the back. You're gonna take this and kind of lift this up and pull that through. Take your fingers out, and then you have your slip knot. I'm gonna show that one more time. So you've got your 2 loops, pull it through, and there's your slip knot. Once you have your slip knot, you're gonna go ahead and put that on the needle and just pull that tight. And now you are actually ready to start casting on.